This is a 1963 Corvair Rampside pickup truck. I've videoed these before. This is a pretty good condition here. Dark blue and white. Use the Corvair engine, of course, in the rear position. Interior looks very nice. It has a power glide. You can just make out the little shift lever on the dash. A very practical truck. It had, of course, a tailgate and that Rampside gate that lifted down to the pavement. And there's the vents there for the rear engine. And that rear engine necessitated the elevated level there of the back of the load bed. So it wasn't a completely flat load bed floor. It would be very handy for loading things like lawn equipment and refrigerators, what have you, from the street side, from the pavement right onto the truck. You'd have to be careful, though, to put down something so you wouldn't scratch that side gate. There you see that lever for the transmission. Very practical little truck.